IEBC commissioners can breathe easy for now after a petition that sought to send them home hit a snag. The Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, in a report tabled in Parliament, concluded that Barasa Nyukuri's petition had not provided sufficient grounds for the commissioners' removal, a finding that was not well received by opposition lawmakers who accused the Chepkonga team of a conspiracy to shield the IEBC commissioners.
This is a very sensitive matter. Order, members.
If it is a question of shouting, I have also the capacity to shout, and I must be allowed. When those ones who are shouting, I should be allowed to shout at them.
What Honorable Chepkonga is saying we are making noise about it because we see that there is more than meets the eye.
High Court Judge Isaac Lenaola had in 2014 directed Auditor General Edward Ouko to expunge from a special investigative report on the procurement of voter registration and identification devices ahead of the 2013 polls paragraphs that adversely mentioned IEBC Chairman Ahmed Isaac Hassan and the 8 commissioners. These, according to the Legal Affairs Committee, watered down Nyukuri's petition, making it difficult to prove allegations of incompetence and lack of integrity he made against the commissioners, a position negated by the opposition team that had withdrawn its members from the committee when the Nyukuri petition was being processed.
The Justice and Legal Affairs Committee was not properly constituted at the time when those deliberations took place.
I don't need to be the chair of Justice and Legal Affairs Committee. Honorable Madego could apply for that position so that he can be giving or allowing members of his coalition to participate if he thinks that they have not been participating.
The 14-member Joint Select Committee on IEBC termed the Justice Committee's findings inferior and inconsequential.
If the findings of the Chepkonga Committee are in conflict with the findings of this superior committee, then the findings of this committee shall prevail. The work of that committee does not in any way affect these proceedings.
They are not superior to Honorable Chepkonga. We need to sort out this issue because the matter before us is bigger than our own, politics within committees.
The Select Committee received submissions from stakeholders on key reforms that were necessary to enhance the credibility of next year's polls. This includes a cleanup of the national role of voters and use of information communication technology ICT in the voting, counting and transmission of results. Various stakeholders are recommending a thorough scrutiny of the persons who will comprise the successor commission in case current IEBC commissioners led by Isaac Hassan are sent home or voluntarily exit through a negotiated settlement. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV, Nairobi.